Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to make a simple and delicious dinner, stir-fry loofah with prawns. For the ingredients I have 800 grams of loofah or Untitled Chapter, 3 chicken eggs, 150 grams of prawns, deshelled, deveined and cleaned, 1 tablespoon of garlic in oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic oil. If you do not have these two ingredients, you can fry 4 cloves of chopped garlic to substitute it, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. First, marinate the prawns. Use half of the salt and half of pepper. Rub the prawns to spread the seasoning evenly. Put it aside. Next, crack the eggs and marinate them. After cracking the egg, put in the rest of the salt and pepper into the eggs. Beat the egg and set aside. Next, prepare the loofah. This loofah is too long. I'm going to cut it into half. Use the fruit peeler to remove the loofah skin. After skinning the loofah, rinse them to remove any lingering dirt. Some of the skin is still on the loofah. It is okay. I did not completely remove them as well. Now, cut the loofah into bite-sized pieces. We can cut it into triangle shapes like this. I'm going to go ahead and cut all of it. Here are all the loofah cut and clean. Let's go and cook it. Heat the pan. Put in half tablespoon of garlic oil in the pan. When the oil in the pan is hot, pour in all the eggs. Gently push the edges of the egg into the center as though we are making the scrambled egg. When the eggs are almost cooked, remove them from the pans and set aside. In the same pan, add in half of sesame oil, add in the balance of the garlic oil and half of the garlic in oil. Stir until fragrant. This will take about 10 to 20 seconds. Add in the prawns and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, prawns will change the color to orange. Remove the prawns from the pan. Put it aside. In the same pan, add in the balance of the garlic in oil. Give it a stir for about 10 seconds until fragrant. Now add in the loofah. Stir the loofah and garlic together. The pan is getting too dry to cook, so I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to wet the pan. Give it a stir again. Now I'm adding the seasoning. All of the oyster sauce and sesame oil. Give it a stir again. The pan is getting too dry, so now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water just to wet the pan. I'm not adding too much of water as the loofah will release water later on once it's cooked. Cover the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and stir the loofah. The loofah should be nice and crunchy. If you prefer it to be softer, you can leave it to cook for another 2 minutes. Now we can give it a taste. Delicious. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this, it's perfect. Next, add in the eggs and prawns. Stir for a couple of times to mix the flavors together. We don't want to cook too long as it will cause the eggs and prawns to be overcooked. Switch off the heat, dish out and serve. Smells so good. Let's eat. Delicious. The loofah is crunchy and sweet, and the eggs are fluffy with a bit of taste of the prawns. Stir-fry loofah with prawns goes so well together. I love it. Thank you for watching. If you try it, please let me know how it turns out. And please subscribe to be notified on my next recipe. Thank you and bye-bye.